The latest test version of iOS 26.5 includes a change that's about bringing some new protections to text. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech news. The smartphone operating system will be rolling out end-to-end encryption for RCS messages between Apple and Android devices. Apple's official wording about the addition was end-to-end encrypted RCS messaging beta and messages is available with supported carriers and will roll out over time. The setting will be on by default, but Apple device owners can confirm it in settings under the RCS Messaging menu of the Messages section once they're running on iOS 26.5. According to sources, a lock icon will appear in an iPhone user's Messages app when chats to an Android device are taking advantage of the encryption. On the Android side, the Google Messages chats to iOS devices will look the same way they do when messaging another user with encrypted RCS. Apple added the option for RCS messaging as part of iOS 18. The GSM Association, which operates the RCS protocol, added support for E2EE between the operating systems last year. At the time, Apple said it would bring the additional security layer in future software updates that seem to have finally arrived. The tech company began testing this tech back in February as part of iOS 26.4, although Apple specified that it didn't plan to officially roll out the encryption feature with that launch. More protections to keep communications private is pretty much always a good thing to see, so that's a welcome addition to iOS 26.5 update, which might otherwise be a more incremental update. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.